Okay, so I'm going to show you a really easy, quick fix that you shouldn't pay anyone to do for you. You should do this yourself. I'm changing out the struts that open the back hatch and the back window. This is for a 2005 Hyundai Tucson. If you take a look inside of you can actually see how this little clip on the back actually clips in to the inside. So what that does is it allows it to hold on to the little ball that's behind here. So I've got a helper that's holding the hatch up for me so it doesn't fall on my head. Flathead screwdriver, that's all you need. This is a super simple fix. Alright, take one out. And the new ones, you don't even have to take them out. If you're not sure how you took them off, just check the other side. Pretty much just give them a little pop. And then same thing for this one. Pop. That's it. You have a new one that's in. Want to repeat that on the other side? You might not have a retaining clip. Some cars do, some don't. But it's you almost never need to do anything to actually pop the new ones in. It's usually almost always just popping them in by hand. And of course you want to make sure that your replacements are the same size. These are cheap. These are from Amazon. I want to say they were, oops, didn't have that one. Okay. There we go. I want to say that these larger ones were about $20 each. Well, the smaller ones here for the little window, oh sorry, the larger ones were $20 for the set, while the smaller ones, see that one expanded, a little bit less. Might actually have to take, let's see, might have to actually open up the window to get this. Yeah, because these are going to extend when I pop them out, and the new ones are already extended. So rather than killing myself trying to, see, these are actually not that bad. They should pretty much do that. Let's go ahead and close this. Nice and tight now. Probably should have shown you it before, but it was pretty much, the before was me cursing as it fell out like that. Come over and hold this up, please. Thank you. So you really see on these how easy it is to put them in. Just go pop. And bring this down here. And pop. And that's it. Super satisfying. Very easy fix. And it helps make things in your car a lot safer. See, the glass comes up and goes down. I broke my handle off here. And that's it. It's that simple. So don't pay someone else to do this. Do it yourself. And it's only like 30 bucks, maybe a little bit, even a little bit less, just to do the whole car. Thanks for watching. Please hit on like. Please hit subscribe if you can. And watch for other videos.